Hi there, welcome back to Something of Everything. In this short and sweet video, we will solve second degree equation 2x square plus 3x minus 4. There can be possible two ways. One is the solution that we know, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. In this case, our abc shall be plus 2 is a, 3 is b and minus 4 is c. We have written the same here, and here for value of x we will create an arithmetic formula from which we can find the solution. So let us create the formula minus b plus square root of b square, b raised to 2 minus 4 into a into c, bracket over divided by 2 into a. Okay, so this shall be the solution, 0.85078. And the second option is using the goal-seek command in data, what if analysis and goal-seek. By goal-seek you can reach to a possible solution for the value. How? Let us see. Here we have created a value of x, and we have written the same formula 2x square plus 3x minus 4, in which x shall be referred to this cell. As you can see, 2 into h10 raised to square, as you can know that this is h10, plus 3 into h minus 4. We have to put some value, let's say 0.87078 to here, so that we can know that the number here is 0. Okay, so how to reach to the solution 0.85078? Just go to data menu and what if analysis, and in that goal-seek command, set the set h11 to 0 by changing cell of x. Okay, it will do the iterations and reach to the solution, as you can see 0.85077. so this is how you can find the solution of second degree equations in Excel. For third degree equations, do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the new videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching this channel. Thank you.